Hello guys, in this video we will be studying the theorem on 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. So the statement of this theorem is, if the angles of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse and the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. So I have taken here a right angle triangle ABC, which is right angle at vertex A, and my angle B is 60 degree and angle C is 30 degree. So we will write down the given data. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree and angle C is equal to 30 degree. So what we have to prove is that my AB is equal to half the hypotenuse, that is half the hypotenuse BC, that is AB is the opposite side of angle 30 degree. So AB is half the hypotenuse and my side AC is equal to root 3 by 2 times BC, which is the side opposite to 60 degree, that is AC. So now to prove this we have to do some construction. So in construction, we will extend ray AB up to point D such that my AB is equal to AD. So I will draw this with dotted lines. So we have did the construction such that AB is equal to AD. So extend ray AB up to point D such that AB is equal to AD. Now next we will move towards the proof. In proof, initially we will be proving triangle DBC as an equilateral triangle and then we will move forward. So we will consider in triangle BCD, AB is equal to AD. This is by construction. Also angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. So CAB is 90 degree as this is a right angle triangle. So by perpendicular bisector theorem, we can say that point C is at equal distance from point D and B. Therefore we can write this as CB is equal to CD, and from this we can write that angle CBD is equal to angle CDB, that is opposite angles of congruent sides, Hence we get angle CDB is equal to 60 degree. I will write it down in construction. So this is 60 degree. Now we have in this triangle we have angle B as 60 degree, angle D as 60 degree. So as sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree, we get angle C as 60 degree. Therefore in triangle CDB, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle. So therefore we get triangle CDB is equilateral triangle. Therefore, as AD divides segment DB in equal parts, we can write BD is equal to 2 times AB. So now we will consider the side opposite to 30 degree, that is AB. So AB, we have taken here AB. Now we will replace side BD by BC, because these two sides are equal as it is a equilateral triangle. So BD is equal to BC. Since triangle CDB is a equilateral triangle, therefore we get BC is equal to twice AB. Therefore we get AB is equal to half the BC. So next we will move towards the side AC. So now we have proved AB is equal to half BC. Now we will prove that side AC is root 3 upon 2 times BC. So for this we will consider in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. We can write that BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So BC square hypotenuse square is equal to its side square, that is AB square plus AC square. We have got AB is half times BC, so we will substitute here plus AC square. So we get this as BC square upon 4 plus AC square, that is BC square is equal to, so we will take this BC square upon 4 towards LHS, and we get this as BC square minus BC square upon 4 is equal to AC square. Therefore we get AC square is equal to 4 minus 1 times BC square upon 4. This is equal to 3 BC square upon 4. So we will take square root on both sides, and we get AC is equal to root 3 upon 2 times BC. So we have proved that the side opposite to 30 degree is half times the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse.